Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're indulging in the perfect marriage of a carrot cake and rich ganache. Look at how the ganache cascades over the moist cake. This increases the flavor of the already delicious cake. Each layer of ganache increases the smoothness of the cake. And now for the decorations. Tune in as I craft the adorable little carrots to decorate the cake, adding a charming touch. The final touch is coming together to our ganache cake. Of course, a carrot has to have the leaves, the green leaves. To make the carrots look more realistic, just cutting through a little bit. Be careful not to cut right through. And now the final touches are being put in place, and this transforms the cake into a work of art. I'm just adding a bit of ganache, melted ganache on the top so that the carrots can stick to the cake. Here I'm trying to figure out the best way to lay the carrot. And finally decided. Voila. Our carrot cake. Next time I'll be sharing the carrot cake recipe. Join me on my journey to baking every week. Bye.